tonight I'm showing you how I've decorated our kitchen for Christmas. You know, our house is a small cottage that was built in 1930, and it's an open concept. Our living room and kitchen is pretty much one big room. I'm going to start out with the bar area here. My husband and I eat breakfast and dinner at this little bar area. On the bar, I've got a couple of red and black plaid placemats. I just put them together, and then I put this beautiful centerpiece that we got at Ross a few weeks ago. And I've got some flameless candles that I got on Amazon on that. And then over on the stove, I've got these red and black towels. I got those at Gabe's. And on the stove, I've got a cute little gingerbread cookie jar. I've had that for many years. I don't even remember where I got that. The little gingerbread salt and pepper shakers I just got at Burke's Outlet. I thought they went cute with the little cookie jar, and they were $6.99. And then over here on my 2-tier tray, I just got this cute little gnome mug on Mercari. And I got that little Christmas tree gnome at Burke's Outlet. And then I got the little Santa hats for my marshmallow mugs on Amazon. It was a set of 4 of them for $12. You guys know we have a little pug named Frankie, so we love anything that's pugs. I got this adorable little pug Christmas cookie jar at World Market a few years ago. And this is my coffee bar area. I got this little cranberries wreath at Hobby Lobby this year, and it was 60% off. I've got that hanging on this little window in our kitchen. I just got this little tree right here at the flea market down the street for $6, and I just put a string of lights on it. Then I have a little Santa cookie jar over here, and a Merry and Bright hand towel on my little ladder. Then I got this sleigh rides sign at Hobby Lobby last year. And this is where we have our coffee and sugar. And I just put some little pine cones and some red lights in front of that. And I just put a little red and black bow on top of my mug tree here. And I got this absolutely adorable gnome mug on Mercari last year. And I think that turned out really cute and festive. And above the cabinets, over here above the coffee station, I have some pine cone candles and another Santa cookie jar that I've had for years. I got this Merry Christmas sign at Big Lots last year. I've had this Christmas owl cookie jar for years. And then I just put some poinsettias in my plaid pitcher on the end. And then on this little shelf above the small window, I just put some little glittery trees and a little black glitter reindeer. And then on these cabinets, I put some red and black chargers, and then those little black and white trees I got at the Dollar Tree this year. That fresh cut Christmas trees sign, I believe I got that at Gabe's last year. And then I've got some plaid candles up there, and then a berries garland with some lights up there. And I will show you what the kitchen looks like lit up with the lights off and just the Christmas lights on. And then over here on this counter space, I have this adorable Santa cookie jar that my husband and I got at Big Lots last year. And then I always have these plaid canisters that I got from Hobby Lobby when we bought this house. And then I just have my utensils holder. I tied a little red and black ribbon around that just to tie in with the red and black theme I've got going. I've got a little green wreath and I just put a Christmas bow on it above the sink. And then on this little shelf above the kitchen window, I put this Believe sign. I got that at Burke's Outlet last year. And on top of this cabinet, I have some more of the berry garland and a little plaid nutcracker. And then I have this vintage nutcracker cookie jar. I got this at Goodwill years ago. I just think he's super cute. And then on my little farmhouse riser over here, I have my Joanna Parker Christmas mugs collection. I just got the penguin on Mercari, and then I've had the reindeer and the snowman. I always like to display my little Joanna Parker mugs for every season on this little riser right here. And here in our laundry room, which is open to the kitchen and the living room, this was built on to this little cottage. I have this wooden ornament that came from old time pottery with our last name's initial on it on the back door. And then I got this adorable fiber optic snowman at the flea market down the street this summer. And he's really cute. And I've just got this wreath hanging above the washer and dryer that's there all year. And I put a Christmas bow on it. And then above the laundry room, I have this really pretty Merry Christmas sign. I got that at Gabe's last year. And then over here on my hutch, I have my candle holders and this gorgeous vintage Christmas angel motionette. I just got that on eBay. And look how pretty she is. I absolutely love that. I just love vintage decorations. I also got a Santa motionette, and I will show you that as well. And I just got my little reindeer that says Believe up here. Then I have my plaid plates, some little red trees from the Dollar Tree, and a little house that lights up in the middle. And on this shelf, I have a Merry Christmas sign and, of course, my little Christmas birds that I always love. And I have these beautiful vintage snow people on the bottom shelf of my hutch. I got him at a thrift store a few years ago, and I just got her on eBay. And I thought they looked so cute together. And then I just have a little plaid tree in between them. And then down here, I have my vintage angel blow mold. I got her at the Nashville flea market years ago. I think she is so pretty. And then next to the hutch, I just have a basket with my Be Cozy pillow and a beautiful red and black plaid throw, and my light up gnome that my husband got me on Amazon last year. This is my vintage Santa motionette that I just got on Mercari. I love him. He's wearing glasses and he's holding a candle. And I just love these. These are so cute. And I did show him in my Christmas living room clean and decorate with me video. And if you missed that, I will put that in the description box down below. And now I'm going to show you what the kitchen looks like with the Christmas lights on. Friends, stay tuned for my Christmas home tour coming up. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.